Hey, we're here today at my salon here in D. It's been 11 years since we've done any real updates, so we are here today to do some major renovations, so check it out. Hi, I'm Maggie Daniel and welcome to Hair Home Happy. We're in my salon today and we are doing some major renovations, so check it out. We are going to take this massive wall out and open up our waiting room into our washroom. And then we're also going to take this little, watch out for the wall, this little wall out to open up and give us some more space in our cutting room, which is kind of a mess right now because we're getting ready to rip stuff up.
Okay, now you got me, okay? Oh my gosh! Ow, that is
drywall. There's so much to be done.
Alright, just finished opening up this first wall, opened it up. Boom! Got a mess to clean up.
Yay!
Well, that wasn't part of the plan. So we're headed home for the night, and some unexpected things happened. Like that wall to the drop ceiling just fell and busted through. Oh, that was not in the plan. All right, day 2, we are back at the Salon Renovation, and we're gonna take out all the drop ceiling, do new electrical. So we've got a lot of work to do. We've got a lot of crap to haul off, so stay tuned. We got all the drop ceiling down, and we have decided that we're just gonna patch this because I kind of like the feeling of it still being like 2 separate rooms with this doorway here. Patching holes, good thing 9 tries was the winner. 9 tries. Took down all this mirrors, you guys, and I was filling the holes, and then I saw something that I should have not seen. There's a red brick behind this plaster, and I just gotta see how easy it is to get the plaster off because this whole wall might be coming down. An executive decision has been made. We're exposing the brick. So we've called in some help. My bestie and her boyfriend are coming, and we're gonna knock this sucker out tonight. I love exposed brick. I didn't know this was behind here. I was literally gonna put like that fake brick paneling up. And this is just makes my heart pitter patter. Huge thank you to our friends Casey and Donnie who came and saved the day and helped us knock this out in like 2.5 hours. Like, I just love it. This is gonna be like my ultimate dream salon. All right, the salon renovation is finally done and I'm gonna take you on a tour. All right, so when you come into the salon, this is where you hang out and wait for your appointment or let your color process. We took out the drop ceilings, added new lights, painted everything. We were adding a new person to the salon to do spray tan, so we needed to have an extra space for her, but we still needed to have a space to do our mixing of color and whatever else. So we built this wall and lifted that huge window. It is like 6 foot by 4 foot and it is so heavy, and we lifted it and we just love how it turned out. So in here is where we cut and color hair. This is my station. Some things that I really like is that we used an old door as our station. And then this has got to be one of my favorite things that we did that was just kind of on a whim. We needed something to hold our hot tools and didn't want something bulky, so we just used the metal strapping with the metal tubes that come with our hot tools and mounted them right onto the brick. So this is Casey's station. It's the same as mine. But I mean, you guys, the brick. It was totally worth it, right? Oh my gosh. Deciding to take the plaster off that wall at 3 o'clock in the afternoon was a risk, but I think it paid off. I just finished up my first day back at the salon and it was dreamy. I love this place so much. It just feels cozy and like a home, and I hope that when my clients come, they feel that way.